A recipe has no soul. You, as the cook, must bring soul to the recipe. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And in today's vlog, I'm going to share this hockey pocky, or you can say honeycomb recipe, for which here I've taken half cup of castor sugar. You can take granulated sugar as well. And in goes 4 teaspoons of honey along with half teaspoon of water. And once we add these three ingredients, we'll switch on the flame. Now keep stirring till the sugar starts to melt. And here, as you can see, it has started to melt. And now we need to keep the flame between medium to low at this moment. Once it starts to melt, just scrape off the sides or the spatula with the help of the spoon. And now here, as you can see, few bubbles are rising out of the syrup. That indicates that our sugar is melting. And now we will be taking off the spatula after giving it a good mix. Now let it melt on its own. Once you start to notice few bubbles, just keep the flame on low at that moment and let it melt on its own till you notice bigger bubbles and slight golden brownish color, just like the maple syrup. And I hope you can see the bigger bubbles at this stage. Just be careful, this is quite hot. And now just swirl it and don't stir it with the spatula. And now at this moment, I'm going to switch off the flame. Just make sure to not burn this syrup. Now I have switched off the flame and I'll be adding 1.5 teaspoon of baking soda. Just add all at once and give it a good mix with the help of a balloon whisker. This balloon whisker will help to incorporate the air, which eventually will result into a honeycomb like texture from inside, and the baking soda will react with the sugar and it will make our hockey pocky candy crunchy from outside. So our fluffy mixture is all ready, and just quickly pour it over the silicone mat, or if you don't have silicone mat, you can just simply grease your stainless steel plate or your workstation and just quickly pour it onto the mat or the greased surface. And now we will wait for our mixture to come at the room temperature, and then we'll randomly cut it and we'll put it into an airtight glass jar. And here's a tip: once it reaches room temperature and you have your bite-sized pieces, you can just dip those pieces into some melted chocolate and your another version of chocolate hockey pocky candy will be ready. And here I'm going to just cut it randomly, and on the other hand I have a glass jar. I'm going to place these bars into my airtight container and then I'll tie a ribbon around it. And this is a perfect gift. I suppose you can gift it to your loved ones on your Valentine's Day. I hope you can see the beautiful honeycomb texture in this candy. It's so soft and it just melts into your mouth. It's very tasty and unique recipe, I must say. And yes, I'm going to pack it and gift it to my friend. I hope you are going to definitely try this recipe and you're just going to enjoy it and you will love making this recipe. And just tie a ribbon around it and your beautiful edible gift for Valentine's Day is ready. I hope you enjoyed watching my video and soon I'll be back with another Valentine vlog. So until then, stay home, stay safe, and eat homemade good food and enjoy. And yes, if you are new to my channel, then please like, subscribe, and share my channel. And click the bell icon and stay tuned for my next videos. Bye bye.